I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this kind of review for a long time now. It's the JoFay Fashion mini press-on nail haul. And guess what? All of these nails are under $8. Hey friend, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marquita, aka Q, and today's video is sponsored by JoFay Fashion. So JoFay Fashion was kind enough to send me 3 packs of press-on nails to share with you guys today. You can find all their nails, even the ones in this video, in their Amazon store, and I'll go ahead and I'll put the links in the description for the store and for each set individually. Go ahead and get yourself a glass of juice, a beverage, a glass of water, or something first, sis, because I need you to stick around because I have a surprise for you by the end of this video. First of all, I want to talk about the packaging. They have a display that shows all of the nails, a preview of what's in the box. This is going to get shipped to you Amazon. This is not going to be damaged. You're not going to get these nails broken or melted or damaged or anything because this package is really cute and super sturdy. The nails themselves are super well made. They're coated with a layer of anti-cracking and anti-whitening base coat gel on the back of the nail to make sure it's super durable. They sent me 3 sets of the coffin shape. When you open up the box, it comes with 24 press-on nails in 12 sizes, which means there's a perfect size for each finger. It comes with non-damaging glue, 2 sheets of nail adhesive tabs in case you don't want to use a glue, a nail file, a wooden cuticle pusher, and an instruction manual. Now sis, if you're like me and you're a busy mom or a busy person in general, these are the nails for you. With my twins running around the house, I can literally put these on in about 10 minutes, especially when I'm juggling 18,000 things at one time. So they're super fast and easy to apply with the glue or with the adhesive tabs. With my kids being so young, sometimes the coffin shape just doesn't work. The long coffin, as elegant as they look, sometimes it just doesn't work. So I can pop them off and pop them on as often as I like if I want to change up my style. So they're super versatile. They're convenient. I can legit throw these in my bag, the entire pack. Throw this entire pack of nails in my bag and just go at any moment's notice. They're super affordable. Did I not tell you how much these are? I looked at the entire store and I did not see one set for over $7.99. It's a no-brainer. They look great, they fit great, and they're super affordable. Let's go back to convenient for a minute. I know there's a lot of people that travel around the world now and everyone's going on vacation and staycation and all vacations. Throw these in your carry-on bag. Throw them in because you can get on that flight, pop your nails on. You can get to your hotel, pop your nails on. You can get ready to go out to eat, to dinner, to dancing, whatever, pop your nails on. Super great for traveling. Okay, now let's get to the good part and put these nails on. As you can see, I already applied everything on my right hand. I went ahead and laid out all the nails that I know I'm going to use. Go ahead and cut your cuticles. Use the nail file, buff out the nails. Grab yourself a prep pad and throw some alcohol on it and go ahead and wipe away all the dust and impurities. Now let's grab that super convenient glue that came with it. Go ahead and put on each nail, holding them down for at least 10 to 15 seconds. Look how beautiful these came out. It looks like a nail artist painted on gel polish. I have tiny nail beds, so I also have tiny toenail beds. If you want to get the look like you came from a salon on your nails and your toes, I actually took one of the largest thumbnail sizes, glued it to my toe. Now I have custom toenails that match my fingernails. I've actually never done this before and it looks so cute that I went ahead and tried them on with a few different pairs of shoes. I couldn't help myself. I'm so happy with the way these turned out and super impressed with the quality. Now before we wrap up, we're gonna do a giveaway. I'm gonna give away a set of nails to one lucky subscriber. So is make sure that you live in the US. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel here on YouTube and go ahead and put your Instagram name in the comments below so I can contact you on Instagram. Thank you, JoFay Fashion, once again for sponsoring today's video. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.